Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Motorola. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and tap on Got it. Now you need to click on the month above and pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. Then create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Now click on Event section, pick your email address and one of those sections. Over here you can pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, select Does Not Repeat. You can also click on the same option, select Custom at the bottom and adjust it however you wish to. Save your changes by tapping on Done at the top right corner. Now you can add people, videos and even choose add location. Over here, in order to use this feature, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address of your happening, and click on the correct one. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it, take some notes and add attachments. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. And after that, my event was successfully created. You can always edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner of it, and making your changes. You can discard them by clicking on the top left corner and choosing discard, or save them by tapping on top right one. In order to delete your event though, click on it again, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!